I'm very glad that we can see that there's progress that is happening as we move on to in preparation for, well, filing is our next big event. And we have now within the PFP organized ourselves properly so that we can already look at not only the personalities who are going to be involved, the personalities who are going to be candidates, but also those who are going to run the campaign. Dahil alam niyo naman, hindi naman yung kandidato lamang kahit saan kahit anong kandidato kailangan may support group. Kaya ito yung gagawin ng PFP para sa ating mga kandidato in all the different ways, in the ways that are needed for all of you to succeed. Kaya yun ang ating hindi lamang yun, kung hindi yung support group na nga ay nabubuo na natin dahil yung leadership and the assignments of the different areas and the different areas that need to be attended to are now at least filled, so we can now carry on with the actual nuts and bolts of our campaign na iniisip na natin paano tayo gagawa. Hindi maliit na bagay ang mag-schedule tayo and how we will do the scheduling. It becomes a little bit more involved dahil hindi lang ang PFP ang gumagalaw. Kasama tayo, although we are the lead party, kasama tayo sa alyansa at nakasama ang iba't ibang partido. Lahat ng malalaking partido sa Pilipinas ay kasama ngayon natin. Kaya we have to do all of this in conjunction with them. But we have to already be ready dahil ang naka-schedule at 26 of September will be the convention of all of the party members of the Alyansa. Hindi na ang different parties, lahat na ng partido nandun na, where we will be deciding many of the issues that are still outstanding, where we will be finally coming to terms with the differences in terms of approach of the different parties. I do not think, hindi naman siguro magiging masyadong mahirap. Siyempre, ganun din yung lagi naman nangyayari sa atin yan. Lalo na kapag lahat tayo ay nagkakasama, may magkakabanggaan ng konti dahil may kandidato yung kabilang partido. So yun ang mga kailangan natin ayusin. At sa palagay ko naman, kaya naman nating ayusin. Although, siyempre, ako ang lagi kong sinasabi that kung wala kang magawa, baka mag-free zone ka. Pero hanggat maaari, ayaw ko mag-free zone. Dahil mas magiging magulo pagka ganun. Mas maganda sana kung maayos ang ating eleksyon, as maayos ang kampanya, maayos ang eleksyon. Pero alam naman natin, pag nagsimula na yan, wala na, bakbakan na yan. So we cannot, it's not something that we can control completely. But what we can control are the things, the elements that are needed by our party members. And that is why we have had this meeting today. Para mabuo na natin ang leadership ng partido, para pwede nang humarap sa leadership ng iba't ibang partido. We will now start to be talking about things like scheduling, the logistics, how do we move people, where do we go? Where do I go, for example? Kasi meron tayong senatorial lineup din. Saan ko sila dadalhin? Saan din yung mga lokal na nangangailangan ng tulong na pwede kong puntahan? Dahil meron siyempre mga kasama natin na sinasabi natin, yung lugar nila, hindi talaga tayo maaring matalo dyan. Meron naman yung mga ibang lugar, ay wala na, sure bet na yun, walang kalaban. So, okay na siya. Pero, iba't iba yan. Kaya kailangan natin pag-decide na yan. So, that's not as simple. So, we have to have the logistics, and we have to have the scheduling, and we have to also look forward to how to do the secretariat. We will have the secretariat to coordinate all of these things. Then, there's even at kailangan na rin pag-usapan dahil alam naman natin walang tatakbo rito kung hindi tayo maglagay ng sapat na budget. Kaya gumawa na tayo ng ating mga pangangailangan. That's what the leadership of the party is going to do. At siguro it's about time dahil balita ko handa na raw mag-release ng limpak-limpak na salapi si Mr. Anton Lagdameo. Kaya ikaw kasi hingi ka ng pera. Sabi ko, sige, ikaw mag-release. So anyway, but yun ang mga basic things na kailangan na natin gawin. At parating na itong halalan. We have to be, alam naman natin, itong halalan na ito ay hindi ito business as usual dahil ang daming panibago. You all, I don't need to explain all of these things to you. Puro kayo mga hasang-hasa na politiko. Yung mga bagay kagaya ng social media, kagaya ng mga pangyayari sa political development, yung mga nangyayari nakikita natin ng mga report, lahat yan. Mabilis ngayon ang galaw, hindi kagaya ng dati. Kung ano yung kampanya mo, yun ang plinano mo, yun ang gagawin ninyo. Pero sa ngayon, iba. Habang kahit na nagsimula na yung kampanya at palapit na yung eleksyon, kailangan nag-a-adjust pa rin tayo dahil mabilis gumalaw mabilis magbago. Kaya kailangan ng organization natin maayos para makapag-respond tayo na mabuti. So ipagpatuloy natin yung ganyang klaseng organization. Let's get now down to as detailed as we can. Without remembering and we go to let's get down to as much detail as we can, but always remembering that we are doing this in consonance with other parties who have their own interests, who have their own. So, siyempre may bigayan yan. But meron siyempre, PFP, we ourselves, we will stand by our members, siyempre. At yan ang ating lagi namang ibinabanggit. There are many approaches to do this, and we think that but it's not the 26th will not be the first time hindi naman first time na nakipag-usap tayo sa ibang partido. We are actually discussing all of these issues with them every day. So to a great extent, we will be able to come to an agreement for all of these issues relatively easily, I think. Relatively easily. Not that it would be easy, but relatively easy palagay ko magiging mas maayos. But nonetheless, we still have to be very well organized. A lot of every campaign depends on how well organized the campaign is. Kahit na magaling ang kandidato mo, kahit na marami handa kang gumastos na malaki, kahit na maganda ang survey mo, pag hindi naging maayos ang kampanya mo, wala rin mangyayari. Marami tayong nakikita na ganyan, na nag-complacent, na naparelax-relax, wala naman akong talo, tapos natalo na nga. Hindi natin pababayaan ang mangyari yan sa any of our members. And for that matter, for any of those na naging kasamahan na natin dahil sa alyansa, we have to be sincere about the alliance that we are creating with the other parties. Kailangan sincere din tayo. Na siyempre, tutulungan din natin sila. At magtutulungan talaga tayo. And that's really the best way kasi may synergy yan. Kapag naging maayos ang usapan natin together with the other parties, mas magiging maliwanag ang eleksyon, even down to the municipal level. I think that the biggest problems will probably it's always the same. Pareho lang naman. Pareho mong tao, parehong gustong tumakbo. Sabihin natin, PFP, yung isa nasa lakas, nasa NPC, parehong gustong mag-mayor, parehong gustong mag-congressman. Yun ang mga kailangan natin ayusin. Pero hindi masyadong marami yung ganon. Parang less ngayon kaysa dati. Kasi matibay ang partido. Naging matibay ang partido, kaya nagkaganyan. So, let's always keep that in mind. Let us organize ourselves in as best as we know how. But always keep in mind that we are we have to work with other big groups who also have their own interests. And we have to make allowances for them as they will be making allowances for us. So let us continue with this. I think we are on a good road. I think we have done politically anyway. I think that much has already been done. We have made a great deal of progress in terms of the politics of the upcoming campaign and election. Yun lang, kaya't kailangan na ngayon, yung politika medyo, well, medyo nakikita naman natin na may trend na ng kaunti. At pwede pa nating tulungan yan, pwede pa nating i-endorse yan at i-promote yan. At kaya naman, para magawa natin yun, ay kailangan para mapagsamantalahan natin kung ano man ang mga advantage natin, magamit natin na mabuti, ay kailangan maayos ang patakbo ng kampanya natin. And that's why we have to be very, very clear within the party who is what, who does what is expected of the party by our candidates. Kasama yan. Hindi naman kami naman magsasabihin ng PFP, ito yung kailangan nyo, kayong gusto namin i-kampanya at ipanalo. Kaya titignan natin kung ano yung mga pangangailangan ninyo. So, let us continue with this organization. I hope that the next time we meet, meron na tayong committees. We already have, well, wag lang natin i-overburden because we will have Gov. June, meron tayong gagawin mga sectoral committees together with the other parties over the whole alyansa. So kailangan adjustable tayo ng konti na pag dumating ang araw, sasabihin, okay, may finance committee ang lakas, sasabihin natin, paano natin ipagsasama together with it. Ang thinking ko siguro, kung it concerns our party or concerns our party mates, tayong mamahala when it comes to that. And the same with Lakas, the same with NPC, NUP, with NP. Lahat ng ibang partido na kasama natin ngayon. Kaya we will let us decide on those issues, on how to handle those issues. But always keep the party as the lead. The PFP is the lead party in this campaign and in this election. The PFP will remain the central force in the political aggregation that we are creating together with all of the other parties that we have come into agreement with. Kaya, yan ang ating mga pinaplano. Gawin natin na maganda ito. As I said, lahat naman kayo mga highly experienced politicians. Kaya we have a wealth of very good people here who have run and won many elections. And so between us, siguro naman malalaman natin kung paano yung pinakamagandang approach para dito sa halalan. Hindi naman nagbabago na masyado yan. Ang magbabago lang siguro, paano nga yung pagka yung alliances. Kasi hindi lang tayo nag-iisang nakatayo. Kaya yun lang at patuloy natin gagawin ito at I hope when will be the next time that we can assemble again para meron na tayong organization, meron na tayong secretariat na mamamahala para sa ating mga kandidato at para masabi na natin sa kanila saan kayo tatakbo pag may problemang ganito. Saan kayo, kung may scheduling problem, kung may logistics problem, kung may budget, whatever. Dapat alam na nila kung sino ang pupuntahan nila. So that's the next step para maging functioning na ang partido natin, specifically for the 25 election. So we're making good progress. And as I said, yung ating mga kasamahan sa alyansa, we are also making good progress. We have always been in touch with all of them. The different parties really have made very clear what are their concerns, what are their requirements, what do they want to do. We have made the same thing clear also to them that ito yung pangangailangan ng partido. ito yung kaya namin, we can take it on. No? These are the things that PFP can be in charge of. These are the things that we cannot take care, we need help with this, etc., etc. Yun ang mga aayusin natin. Yun na ngayon ang magiging halos briefing na yan the next time. Na magsasabi ganito, i-drawing namin kung ano yung structure, as I said, where will be the different functions of the campaign be, who will be in charge of them, how do you engage them, how do you get in touch with them, what you can expect them to do for you, and all of those details that come out of that discussion. So congratulations to those who have been elected and chosen as leaders of the different positions in the party and the different regions, rather regional ang ating ginawa. Different regions of the party at the different levels, and I think we just keep up the good work, and I think we will be successful. Kaya patuloy lang natin. Alam naman natin yan, ang kampanya, especially at the local level, talagang sipag at syaga. Talaga yung dapat yung ang rule ko sa sarili ko pagka nangangampanya kami is natuto ko ito sa ama ko eh. Ang sabi niya, kailangan lagi kang malapit ng magkasakit. Pero hindi ka dapat magkasakit dahil sayang ilang araw na may sakit ka. Hindi mo, cannot afford ka 1 or 2 days na hindi nangangampanya. So kailangan perfect lang yung balance na makukuha natin. Yun ang gagawin natin para sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. Good afternoon.